side. Okay. Become number of atoms. Potassium, how much? Potassium 1, hydrogen 3. Yes. Yeah.
Carbon 1,
3 carbons 1, oxygen 3 plus
7,
7, sulfur 1. That is clear. So make it fast, everyone. Next, this side potassium 2. Next, hydrogen, how many? Hydrogen also 2. Next, carbon 1. Oxygen 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7.
7,
Sulfur 1.
1.
That is clear. So this is what is going to come. So 1, 3, 1, 7, 1 and 2, 2, 1, 7, 1. Clear, guys? So already here, if you notice it, 3 are become balanced. Who is not balanced? Who is not balanced?
Potassium and
Potassium,
hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Potassium and hydrogen. Potassium easily people can balance. How, guys? How we can balance potassium?
2 KH.
By making
2K.
2. Very good. So now reactant side or product side? Reactant side. Reactant side. So product side no change. So 2, 2, 1, 7, 1. Clear? Now product side we have to change it. So reactant side. So what is the equation? Write it. Potassium bicarbonate. Understanding will give you H2SO4. Step 1. Yes, Tamil Selvan, are you solving? H2SO4 will gives you, what is the product? K2SO4 plus carbon dioxide plus H2. So here, instead of 1, what I have to do, guys? I have to multiply with the 2. So now, what will become? So that number of atoms, tell me. Potassium become 2. Hydrogens, how many?
2.
Here 2 and here 2. How many? 4 carbons. Instead of 1, it will become what? 2. Next, oxygen check it. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 4. 10. You should speak, I should not. Sulfur 1. That is what it is. So I try to make the potassium balance, but hydrogen also become imbalance. Have you checked it? Yes. Laksha? No response at all. Laksha, Sheshayani, Adarshan. I don't know what is happening. Aswita, you also. Alana, I don't know. Now that is. So now you check it. Now, hydrogen. So first step is potassium. I try to balance it. Next, what I have to balance it, guys? Hydrogen. Correct or not? So hydrogen here 4 are there, but this side 2 is there. So what I have to do? I have to make hydrogen into 2. Where I have to multiply into 2? In place of 1. Yes or no? So reactant side, no change. So product side, 2 KHCO3 plus H2SO4 will gives you K2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O will become what? 2H2O. You should tell me the numbers. I won't say. So reactant side, no change. So 2, 4, 2, 10, 1. So no change in the reactant side. So now product side, what will become? Product side, check it. Potassium, any change? No change in potassium. Next, hydrogen. Hydrogen will become what? 4. Carbon 1. Oxygen, check it, guys. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, what? 6 plus 2, what? 8. Yes or no?
Sulfur 1.
And sulfur 1. That is clear. So now if you notice it, again the same thing. I try to balance hydrogen, but who will become imbalanced? Who will become imbalanced?
Sir, oxygen.
Oxygen and carbon. So now carbon we can make it easily because carbon this side 2 and this side 1. So that what I have to do, guys? I have to multiply with what, Elmukel?
2.
3. 2. Understanding? So KCHO3 plus H2SO4. So this side also, which side? Reactant side or product side? Product side. So 2 KCO2, 2 CO2 plus 2 H2. Is it okay, guys? So product side, reactant side, no change. So 2, 4, 2, 10, 1. Okay, guys? Yes or no? That is what it will become. So now, again, what is happening? This side. So I multiply it. So product side, tell me. Potassium, no change. Potassium, no change. Hydrogen also no change. Now carbon will become 2. Oxygen counted guys. Oxygen how many? 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 plus 2, 4 to, sorry. For 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 4 how much? 8. 8 plus 2 how much? Oxygens. 10.
10.
And oxygens become 10. Sulfur become 1. So balanced or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So 2, 4, and again 2, and it is 10 and 10. So I try to balance carbon, but oxygen also become balanced. Any doubt? Yes, please. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
That is, solve it. Everyone solve it. Have you understand? But in exam, as I told you, they will give you the symbolic equation or word equation. They will give you what?
Word.
Word equation. So what is our first step?
Word
is-
equation, second
First
step,
is
right
to learn symbolic equation. So symbolic equation, how to write? You all people should know. Do you all people know how to write symbolic equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
okay. So after writing symbolic equation only, we people need to proceed further. So now this time, can I give the word equation, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me see who will balance first. So write a word equation. Magnesium oxide. Sorry, manganese oxide, guys. Manganese oxide. Manganese oxide, 4 oxide. We check it. Manganese oxide reacting with hydrochloric acid. It gives you manganese 2 chloride manganese 2 chloride plus water plus chloride. So this is the equation. So let me see who will write. First, this is the equation. Balance it. Durga, whenever you will feel it is possible to apply, you apply. Do you understand, Durga? There is no restriction and there is no kind of boundary for it. Whenever you will feel it is difficult, can I go with some trick? Mind automatically will say, after practicing 20 to 30 equations, mind automatically will suggest you, so that automatically your mind will apply the trick. Okay, don't worry. First you learn. That is what I'm saying. Okay, that is. So now practice it, guys. Now tell me what is the symbolic first equation? Manganese 4 oxide. So what will come formula? Manganese 4 oxide.
MnO2.
MnO2. Okay. Why? What is the manganese 4 oxide formula? How to write? Can anyone tell me?
Mn, sir.
That is Mn. Manganese Mn. I know that. That is not I am asking. So manganese. I'm asking manganese. You written correct. Manganese 2 chloride, manganese 3 chloride. That is what I'm asking. So how you got MnO2 formula? That is what I'm asking. So because manganese is a variable valency. So manganese is having what? Manganese is having 4. Understand? Oxygen is 2 minus. If you will crisscross, what will come? Mn2 O4. So both are even numbers. So I will multiply, simplify it, so that what we can get? MnO2. Understand, Pradosh? Plus. Next, hydrochloric acid, we know that. Hydrogen plus 1, chlorine minus 1. So that what we is to get? HCl. So HCl will get it. Will react and will give you, what will give you? Manganese 2 chloride. So by the time manganese, what is the valency? What is the valency of 2? Means variable valence. Understand? Yeah, manganese is 2 plus, Cl is, manganese is 2 plus, Cl is minus 1. If you crisscross, what will come? MnCl. Understand? That is allowed. Remaining water, we know that. What is the water? Water, what it is? H2O. Correct or not? H plus and oxygen 2 minus. So we used to get H2O plus chlorine gas we used to. So that is the formula. So MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. This is the equation. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Can you say magnesium chloride?
Magnesium 2 chloride, it is magnesium 2 chloride because manganese is having variable valency. Do you understand? Variable valency. One time 4, one time 2. Do you understand, Amma? That is the reason manganese used to say variable valency. So they mentioned here, have you noticed it? Manganese 4. So that is what we used to say manganese oxide means valency of manganese is 4. Here, manganese 2 chloride means what is the valency of manganese? Here you can see manganese 2 chloride. What is the valency of manganese? 2. Understand? That is, for example, you might be studied class 9. Iron or ferrous. Ferrous 3 means what is the valency of iron? 3 plus. Next, iron 2. Iron 2 means what is the valency of iron? 2 plus. Variable valency. Is it okay? That is what it is. So now try to balance this equation. Let me see who will balance. Fastly, who will balance? Let me see. Maitrayan?
MnO2 plus 4 HCl will give MnCl2 plus 2 H2O plus 2 Cl.
Okay, I'll check it. Well, we will check it either your answer is correct or not. We'll make it. Okay. So I think within how many steps you can balance? Maitrayan?
2 steps.
2 steps. That's all. Okay. Very good. So everybody balance it. 3 steps. Okay. 3 steps. First step common character. Writing the element name. So element name, reactants and products. So now everybody try to what is the elements? Tell me. Tamil Selvan on your mic and tell me what is the elements. Ishali.
Manganese.
Yeah. Manganese.
Oxygen.
Next, oxygen, hydrogen, and chlorine. So reactant side 1, oxygen 2, hydrogen 1, chlorine 1, and product side manganese 1 and chlorine. You check it. Chlorine how many? Oxygen 1, hydrogen 2, and chlorine how many guys? Chlorine will become 4. Clear? That is. So now which one I will try to balance first? Elmukil, what you balance it first? What you chosen is most important. So 1, 1, 2. So which one will try to balance it, guys?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay. So let us try to balance oxygen. So now try to balance oxygen. What will come? So this side 2. Reactant side no change. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So product side we are going to change. So product side oxygen where it will become? 2H2O I will write. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Step 1. So that is what? So MnO2 plus HCl will gives you MnCl2 plus H2O. What will come? 2H2O plus Cl2. So the manganese is 1. Chlorine will become what? Chlorine will become 4. And I try to balance oxygen. So oxygen also will become balanced if I try to balance the hydrogen. Yes or no, guys? Why we reactant scenes? We are not changing anything reactant side. So that whatever we are not changing, we have to write it same. Understand, Bhavadrani? So that step, if I am not changing anything, the same thing should come. Okay. Understand?
Yes,
That is. So now manganese is 1. Oxygen is 2 and 2. Now hydrogen become imbalance. Here 1 and here 4. So what I have to do, guys? I have to multiply with what? Hydrogen.
4HCl.
4. So now, which side? Reactant side or product side? MnO2 plus reactant side. So 4HCl will give you MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. So now, I try to balance hydrogen, but chlorine also become balanced. So product side, no change. 1, 2, 4, 4. And if you notice it here, 1, 2, 4, 4 will come. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes, that is. So that's all. Is it balanced or not? Maitrayan?
Yes, sir.
That is. Mahalakshmi, that is what you have to remember. So MnO2 plus 4HCl will give you MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. That is what you have to remember. So this is all about it. So any doubt, guys? Yes? So all of you should remember, we are not supposed to change any symbols as I instructed you in the right balancing equations. 4 things you have to remember. So chemical symbol should not change. Chemical formula should not change. Molecular formula should not change. What is the only thing we have to change? What is the possibility of changing in our hands? You have to respond. What is the only thing we can change? Only we can change a coefficient alone we can change. Other than that, Nothing we should change in our NA system. Only the coefficients alone have to change. Means coefficients means what? The front numbers. Here alone we can change the whatever we want, we can replace here. It is not possible to change the, suppose 3 chlorines is required. I cannot change here 3 or 4. Do you understand, guys? It is completely wrong. Are you clear? Yes. So that is. So always we have to remember where we have, it is having a chances to change. Only we can change at the coefficients. Understand? So other than that, nowhere people should try to balance the equations by changing the formulas. So this is all about it. So now let it be. So hope you all understand the balancing equations. Now I will give you the homework for you guys. Will you people try? Yes. So all of you open page number. Everyone try to open page number. Now balance the equations, you can check it. So page number 3, all of you check it. Brothers, page number 3. Have you checked it? Page number 3, brothers. Page number 3, bottom 1.4 equation is there. Please respond. 1.4 equation. Do you have Adarshan? That 1.5 equation, you have to balance it, but without seeing which method, not textbook method, our method. 1.5 equation, sorry, 1.4 equation in page 3. Try to balance it. Which equation it is? Fe plus H2O will gives you what? Fe3O4, iron oxide plus H2. So try to balance this equation. Everybody, is it okay, guys? Next, turn it. You'll get it. So they're following different steps. They have given, see, 1.5 page, the same thing. So you follow our equation and you try to balance it. In doubt? Anybody? Clear? Will you be able to balance it or not? Yes? Next, page number 6. All of you come to page number 6. Page number 6, in-text questions. Page 6, in-text questions. Can you able to see? Elmukil? In-text questions. So now, first question also you can answer. What is the question? Can you read? Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Why? Anybody can answer the question?
Sir, it has magnesium oxide.
Because it is used to form when it is exposed to the oxygen atmosphere. Slow oxidation reaction will take place and it will form what? It is already forming magnesium oxide, and also it will form what? Magnesium carbonate. So if it will try to burn, it won't catch fire. So if you want to catch fire, then we have to rub with which paper? Sandpaper. So to remove it, already formed a coating layer. That is what? Magnesium oxide. Do you understand? Everyone, that is the first thing. Next, second question. Can you able to balance it? Second question, balancing equation. Have you noticed it? Balancing equation. But what equation they have given? Word equation or symbolic equation? Word equation. So first of all, what you have to write? Word equation, you have to write it in the form of symbolic equation. Understanding? So how to write symbolic equation? I don't want direct equation. How I taught? First, you should know writing formula. Do you understand, guys? Writing formula. Then only you are must able to write it. Understand, Elmukil? Stepwise. Don't remember it and don't follow anything. You have to follow strictly the instructions of us. Then only we will make it something good in our exam. That is what. So second question, you have to do it. Will you be able to do it? Yes. Next, third question. See, third question, they're not even given word equation. Third question, what they given? Notice it. They given chemical reactions. Have you noticed it? Chemical reactions they have given. So what we have to do? Chemical reactions, first we have to write it in what? In the form of what? Laksha. We have to write in the form of word equation. Then word equation, what we have to write? Word equation we have to write in the chemical equation. Understanding? Balanced equation. Sorry, symbolic equation. Later we have to go with the balancing. So will you able to do this one till here? Everyone? It's very simple. If you try to do 100%, you people will do the best. That is what I'm expecting. So solve our procedure, what I taught you. So I'm expecting from you people, everybody will make the things well. So that all in-text questions plus that 1.4 equation, try to balance in our classwork. Definitely, I will check it on the weekend, or else anybody is having a doubt after solving, you can WhatsApp me. I will check either your answer is correct or not. So this is all about it. So be very careful. Exam, definitely they will give you word equation or chemical reaction, and they will ask us to balance it. So you must learn how to write the formula. So if you want to write the symbolic equation, first of all, what you should know? Writing what you have to know? Writing chemical formula. Understand? So writing chemical formula. If you want to know chemical formula, first of all, what you should know, guys? We must know valencies. Yes or no? So that is the reason class 9th, the tabular column is must in our brain. Do you understand? That is the prerequisite which I suggested you. All must learn that column, then only how to make it. Okay, Mukesh? Solve till here. Ishali, everybody, Tamil Selvan, and you have to inform me either you solved or not. Everyone report me after
Yes,
solving.
sir.
So I'm expecting everybody will make it. It is easy for you people now. Try immediately today when you are free anywhere, and definitely you people will make it. That is all. So thank you everybody. And those who don't have textbook, you can get online copy, or else I will send the photocopy as now itself. Try to balance it. Is it okay, guys? Thank you all. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.